Hi again. Welcome to this new week where we're going to continue working on our topic, which is plants. And let's learn about the way that they can grow. So, do you know what a life cycle is? Let's discover. In today's lesson, you will learn about the life cycle of a plant. So in here we have germination, which is number one. Then we have the roots, we have the leaves, flowering. So when we have flowers, remember the plant has to have flowers, and the seed dispersal. Let's go with germination. So in germination, the seed starts to grow when conditions are suitable. What are these conditions? Okay, when we have enough sunlight, but it depends if the plant needs too much sunlight or not too much. So we also need to have a place where it doesn't rain too much, because there are some plants that could not grow because when it is when you have too much water, it's not possible. Okay, as you can observe here, we have that is developing little by little, and we see the stem. At the same time, we are looking at the roots, but pay attention to the stem, how it is growing up. Observe, come in, look at that, how they're growing. And then you have the stem. Good, right? Okay, then we go with the roots. In here we have that the roots grow usually underground. Observe here how they grow. At the beginning they're coming up, but then they change the direction and they go down. As you can observe here, we have the roots coming. Can you see that? Wow, how wonderful they're growing. Different roots, and observe these ones that are coming out. Great. So now we continue with leaves. So in here, a stem and leaves form, and the plants make their own food, or in this case, the plant makes its own food, and this process is called photosynthesis. So observe here how they're growing up, and then how the leaves are formed. Yes, they're great, right? How they're growing up, and look at that. Wow. Then we continue with flowers. So what we can have here is that the pollen in the flowers is used to make seeds. So observe how we can see, those seeds over here. Good. And then we have the seed dispersal. The seed dispersal is a process where they're going to spread out. Look at here. Seeds are spread out so they can grow where they are not fighting for space with the parent plant. So actually they are living, as you can observe here, right? Did you observe how they just went out? They spread it out. It's good. So as you have observed, we have the different, stages for the process of having a plant. Remember that we have germination, then we have roots, and then we have the leaves. And remember also the seed dispersal. Okay guys, remember you need to have your plant 1 near the window and plant 2 in a shoebox. Open a small hole for it to look for the sunlight. it is your time to work. And for this, we're going to complete this journal. In here, we're going to work with the seeds. Do you remember the experiment that we started last class? Well, you're going to use the two plants. At the moment, they are not plants. Actually, they are really small. Now, remember that you have a different place for those seeds. One is going to be near the window, and the other is going to be inside the shoebox. So, for this, you will complete the journal using the picture of your plants. You will need to show your plants and then you insert the picture here. And in this part, you are going to write your name. Then you're going to start your journal. On Monday, May 18th, you're going to take a picture of your plant 1 and plant 2. Plant 1 is the one that is near the window, and plant 2 is the one that is inside the shoebox. And in here, you're going to answer this question. Which is the difference between them? What can you observe? Then you continue on Thursday, May 21st, you take another picture and then you insert the picture here, plant number 1, close the window or near the window, and plant number 2, which is inside the shoebox. Then you continue on Monday, May 25th, and you also answer the question. So as you can see, you will observe the difference between them and then you will write them. Where? You're going to write them here. So you start the difference, you see, is, you will tell me. Then we have this activity. When you finish the plants, at the end, when they are grown up, you're going to insert the pictures here. Imagine this is mine. This is my plant. So I'm going to insert the image here. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to move the parts of the plants, these ones, and I'm going to put them where they belong. Yes, we need to see where they belong. Show me that, please. Okay. Perfect. And this is the last part. In here, you're going to write a short paragraph about why you think the two plants look different at the end of the experiment. Again, you insert the picture number 1 here and the picture number 2 here. Which is number 1? Remember, near the window, and number 2 is inside the shoebox. And then the paragraph goes here. So you erase this and then you start writing. I think that, and you show me. Okay, very good. So we have learned many things about the life cycle of plants. It starts with the germination, with the roots, stem at the same time, the leaves, the flowers, if the plant has flowers, and the seed dispersal. That's the way all the seeds are all around the places they need to grow. So this is everything for today. Thank you very much. Bye.